Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, disconnect your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. Inside, you will see the trigger mechanism. Take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage or debris. If you notice any dirt, use a soft cloth to clean the area. This can help improve the functionality of the new trigger. Now, using the flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the old trigger. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you find it difficult to remove, you can use tweezers to assist in pulling it out. Once the old trigger is removed, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. Before reassembling the handle, it's a good idea to test the new trigger. Reconnect the vacuum briefly to check if the trigger functions correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best service possible. If everything is working fine, proceed to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves and replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. After reassembling, give the vacuum a thorough cleaning, especially around the trigger area. This will help maintain its performance. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle the repair yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Finally, once everything is back in place, do a final check to ensure all components are secure and functioning. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way you can make an informed decision without any pressure. With your new trigger installed, your Dyson SV12 should be back to its optimal performance, ready to tackle any cleaning task. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.